there, chicas. Daisy here from Pura Chica Natural, your digital resource for inspiration and motivation to move you toward a lighter, stronger, more natural lifestyle. It's Cinco de Mayo, or at least it's coming up. So I thought it would be a really neat idea for me to prepare something for you so that you can actually bring it into your Cinco de Mayo celebration. This particular recipe I got from Fit Sugar. I like to kind of browse and peruse delicious recipes. When it comes to me developing my own, it's not gonna happen. Every single time I do that, some crazy fiasco happens in the kitchen and people don't like to eat my stuff. It's sad, I know, but hey, this is how I learn. So what we're going to make here is a chicken burrito bowl. That's right, it's a bowl, so we're not gonna have the tortillas or anything. However, you can add that later. I'm doubling up on the recipe because it's going to be two of us that's going to be eating. So, black soybeans from Eden Organic. The reason being is that it has no added salt. They actually added seaweed onto this. So I really like that. All it has is organic black soybeans, water, and kombu seaweed. So the seaweed is what it adds that little bit of saltiness to it. So it's BPA free lining, so it's good stuff. So the recipe called for popping the mix into the microwave. I don't use microwaves very often, so I'd much rather just take out my pan, add a little bit of oil, coconut oil, possibly in true Daisy fashion. I'm improvising a little bit. Organic chicken, that's something that I don't compromise. When it comes to meat, organic's the way to go for me and hopefully for you as well. It's one of the simplest ways to avoid those extra antibiotics and all that extra stuff that they, inject into your little bodies. Check out the post that I wrote on why organic and why does it matter. I'll link to it. There. Click on it now. So there you go. The battle between the Greek yogurts, what they have. That's it. Right? So you've got your milk, your active bacterial cultures. That's it. There's nothing extra. When I eat yogurt, that's the one I go. Cilantro. Ah, don't you just love the smell? Cilantro at the top. Just like that. Look at that. See? Quick, tasty, yummy. If you're making a big meal for Cinco de Mayo, you can have that on the side. It can be a bit of a salad or it can be the main course. You can add that into a burrito or just a burrito bowl like this guy. There's so many different things that you can do, which is why I really loved seeing that recipe. You don't know what Cinco de Mayo is. It has to do with Puebla. It has to do with their victory against the French back in, I think it's 1862. 1862? So that's why. Yay, Puebla. Also, hey, download the Latina's Beginner Guide to Green Smoothies. Have it right there so that you can click on it, head on over there. It's a free download and you will also be registered to receive weekly updates from me, tips and tricks and all that sort of stuff. Even clueless in the kitchen of food recipes. head on over to purachicannatural.com, take a look around there. There's new stuff that's coming up that I'm super, super pumped about, so I would love for you to be a part of that. Bye! To you, a